Alright, what's up? Now today, it's a pretty big day. You see this? This is my PC. I got it in like December 2017. And yeah, I haven't changed anything in it since, apart from adding 2 more sticks of RAM to make 16 as opposed to 8. But today, that's going to change because I'm going to basically be taking this apart, which is kind of sad. But we're going to be getting some pretty big upgrades. Here we've got the new motherboard. I've currently got a 250F. This is a B550F. And it's compatible with, like, you know, AMD CPUs such as this. The Ryzen 7 3800 XT. This is a pretty big step up considering my current one is i5 7500. So this is 8 cores, that was quad core. Then we've got a new 16 gigs of RAM, but 3600 megahertz. And a cooler. And I've never built a PC before. My current one is a pre-built, so well, basically this could go one of 2 ways. It could go really well, and it could be an awesome PC, and I don't think the alternate needs to be mentioned because I think it's pretty obvious. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm meant to do is CPU and motherboard, so I'm gonna get everything out and just hope it's all good. I'm so nervous, to be honest with you. This is gonna be pretty big, and I don't need to go wrong. I'm sorry, I'm out of light. I don't really know how it works. To be honest, I don't know how much I'm going to be filming of this because obviously I want to be focusing, but I think I'm going to just film from the start and, you know, hopefully make some sort of video out of this. Okay, so, CPU is on. The cooler, after, like, ages of trying to set it up, is on. I'm gonna put the RAM, wait, I need to actually reattach the actual fan. Then I can put the RAM in. Then I'm gonna basically be dissecting my current PC, so this should be fun. Okay, so that's done. The motherboard is done. RAM, CPU, cooler. I have this, like, dreadful feeling that none of it is going to work. But, you know, it is what it is. I need to disconnect my PC, my current one, and I need to take everything out. So I'm just turning off this PC as it is now for hopefully the last time. If everything does go wrong, I can yoink things back in, possibly. But yeah, this is terrifying. And it'll wake up a new man. Here it is. Graphics card, cooler, It's all coming out. Okay, so I basically took well over an hour. That laptop is dead. Look at all this stuff I've gotten out. Well over an hour to remove a single screw. I've got 7 minutes left of recording time. A single screw slap bang in the middle of the motherboard wouldn't come out. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's finally gone.
I am Iron Man.
Where did I find you people?